Good morning, students. So we have completed the second lesson, right? The synopsis, the Swiss Family Robinson. Now today we are going to see English workshop on that. Okay. So come to page number 10. Okay. Now in English workshop, first exercise which is given is compound words. Now what is meant by compound word? I hope in previous classes also you might have studied about compound words. Now what are these compound words? Compound words is basically is addition of two basic words. Understood what is compound word? Compound word is an addition of two basic words. For example, arm loads. Arm is a separate word and loads is a separate word. When we combine both this, so we get a new word which has a new meaning. That is called as compound word. For example, sun and shine. Now both are different words. Sun is having its own meaning, then shine is having its own meaning. When we combine both these basic words together, we form one new word, okay, which has its own meaning. Now such type of words are called as compound words. Understood? Very easy actually. For example, some examples are given here, like spy, glass, spy and glass, right? Then fireplace, so fire and place. And what you have to do, so it says two separate words combined together to make a new word with a different meaning, and they form compound words. Using a dictionary, find the meaning of the following compound words. Now what you have to do, you have to use a dictionary and you have to write the meaning of these words in the dash or the blanks which are provided in your textbook. We are on page number 10. Okay, what you have to do, you have to write the meanings only, and this you have to do in workbook. Now already you purchased workbook, so you have to do this in workbook. Okay, and I hope you will do this because this is very easy. Next, second one is following words can be used as noun as well as verb. Now see, yes, before that I forgot one very important thing. Now both these activities which are given here, these are very important activities. Now why these are very important? Both these activities comes in board exam, that too in a very first question. That too the second activity which is given is one word would be given to you, and what we have to do, or you have to do in exam, you have to make two sentences from the same word. But while making the sentence, once you will first you will use that word as a noun, and then you will use the same word as verb in different sentences. Understood? This is actually a bit difficult activity. Now just to listen we feel here it is very easy, but it is not easy, it is difficult, and this is a compulsory question for 2 marks. Understood? This is a compulsory question for 2 marks in board exam. Now you can understand how important this activity is. Okay, now what you have to do, see, for example, a word is given, hold, HOLD. Now one word is given to you. Now what you have to do, so you have to use this word hold in, or you have to make one sentence in which you will use the word hold, and you have to use this word hold in such a way that it should, in one sentence it should be used as a noun, that word used as a noun, in another word as verb. Let us see the example. She has a strong hold over her children. Now here hold, 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 is used as a noun, pakad. Okay, now second one, if the same sentence if we have to make with the hold which is a verb, then let me hold the bag, let me hold the bag. Now here the hold is used as a verb. Understood? So in this way some exercise is given to you. For example, value is given, so what you have to do, you have to make two sentences, okay, of value. One in which value is used as noun, another in which value will be used as verb. Okay, 4 5 some examples are given: value, not, travel, written. Acha. More are the reach, knock, attack and mark. So this is what you have to do. Very carefully you have to frame the sentences and see that this sentences should not be wrong. Okay, so do this is also an easy activity if you will do it very properly, and if you have understood this, सच में जिसको समझ में आ गया होगा उसके लिए easy है, otherwise this is a bit difficult. Next one is given is a mixed order. Below are some of the good human attributes of the family. Okay, some of the attributes of families are given here, and what you have to do, so you have to choose that words and fill in the blanks which are given. So first one, let me do for you, remaining you will have to do. Then the what means, I hope you got it. In this box, purple color box, some words are given. You have to choose one word from that box and you have to place in the dash which is provided in this given sentences. For example, the father told Fritz the girls would make excellent bowls and spoons and they cut them into various utensils. What kind of attribute it shows? So I hope what are the options are given. Sixth option would be the correct one. Okay, resourcefulness. What it shows? It shows resourcefulness. Means whatever sources we will, whatever things we are available with, we must use that properly so that it can be useful to us. This is one of the attribute of a family, resourcefulness. In this way you will have to fill this. Okay, this is easy one, you can do it. Next one, write your own words how the Robinson family made each of their houses. Now we know they built 4 houses. First one was the tent, second one was on the tree, third one was the cave, and the fourth one was in between the 4 trees. These were the 4 houses Robinson family made during the lifetime of or during the tenure of 10 years. Now what you have to do, you have to describe that houses. Understood how their first house was, how their second house was. You can make 4 paragraphs, and in that you have to write. This you will have to make in your notebook. Okay. Okay, now next one is very important. This is expand the following ideas, expand the themes. I hope last year you already studied what is expansion of theme. This is also a compulsory question in your board exam for 5 marks. Compulsory, 100% this question will come. Okay, only topics may be different but question will be same. Expand the ideas or expansion of ideas. What you have to do, you have to expand your ideas. For example, where there is a will, there is a way. Now what you think, what is the meaning of this proverb which is given? There is a way, there is a will, there is a way, and you have to elaborate your views or ideas on that. Okay, 2 are given there. Courage and resourcefulness are the key to overcome problems. First you try it, and once school will reopen, then we will take this in class also. I will give you notes about this, how to write this. Okay, so these are the different activities which are given in English workshop. Remaining 6 and 7 are the individual projects. So for now you don't do any project or any such thing. Okay, and another activity which is given, read about novel Robinson Crusoe by Daniel Defoe. If you will get it, Gulliver's Traveller by Jonathan Swift. If you get these novels, so read it and enjoy at home. Okay. Okay, now come to page number 12. Let us start the another poem. Poem in the sense, today I am not going to teach you this poem, but where one important activity again, which is a compulsory question in 10th standard. In very first question, okay, is given as homographs. So let us discuss about homographs so that you can do this as homework at home. Now what is mean by what is mean by homographs? Now there are two terms actually, homographs and homophones. So maybe in some of the lesson homophones will also come, but in these poem at least we are going to study homographs. Now what is mean by homographs? Okay, homo and graphs. Homo means same, graph means graph, not maths wala graph. Here graph is different. Now what is the meaning of this homograph? Homographs are a kind of words. Just now we discussed about compound words. Now homographs are the words which have same spelling, same pronunciation but different meaning. फिर से रिपीट करता हूँ, स्पेलिंग सेम रहेगा, प्रोनाउंसिएशन भी सेम रहेगा बट उसका मीनिंग डिफरेंट रहेगा. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज होमोग्राफ्स. फॉर एग्जांपल बैंक, BANK, बैंक. बैंक क्या होता है? फ्रॉम वेयर वी आइदर व्हाट इज द डिपॉजिट और विड्रॉ मनी और कीप आवर मनी एटलीस्ट. ओके, एंड बैंक इज रिवर, बैंक इज ऑल्सो बैंक, राइट? Or generally to the edge also we sometimes calls bank. So spellings are same but the meanings are different. For example, as one example is given here is fair, FAIR. Now what does it mean fair? We know fair, fair and lovely wala, fair and lovely. Fair means like me, okay, gora jo hota hai. And another fair is good enough. Another meaning of fair is good enough, acha. So spelling is same, pronunciation is same, but one single word has two different meanings. Okay, this is called as homographs. Now 1 2 3 4 5 blank boxes are given in textbook, so you have to fill that. Okay, so for today let us stop here only. Tomorrow we will continue with the poem. Have you ever seen the no, there is one poem in nursery nowadays. Have you ever been to the forest to see? So it is somewhat like that only. Just go through the poem once, twice, and tomorrow we will continue with it. Okay, so have a good day. Thank you very much.